there is some fresh trouble for Congress President Rahul Gandhi because BJP has filed a criminal contempt case against Rahul Gandhi for saying that Supreme Court has found Chowkidar chor hai in Rafale deal when Supreme Court had merely agreed to hear the review petition on the Rafale deal. Let's go across to my colleague Aditi joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Aditi, while holding the press conference, this is precisely what Nirmala Sitharaman, Union Minister, had raised immediately after the Supreme Court's verdict.
Well, absolutely. In fact, this also began after Rahul Gandhi gave out a statement. He also put out a tweet where when the Supreme Court had decided that the documents that were published in a particular newspaper, they will be taken forward and they will be presented and they should be presented and the review petitions will be taken up on a later date. It was Rahul Gandhi who came out and said that the Supreme Court has also observed that Chowkidar chor hai and putting the entire onus on the Prime Minister. As you rightly pointed out, Hina, that day before yesterday, Nirmala Sitharaman had also attacked Rahul Gandhi over the same. And today, officially, the BJP, on behalf of the BJP, it is a member of the Parliament, Meenakshi Lekhi, who has now filed a criminal contempt against Rahul Gandhi, saying that Rahul Gandhi spoke against even the observations that were made by Supreme Court. He said something that was not even mentioned or even discussed in the courtroom. And that's why now the BJP has officially moved the Supreme Court, filing a criminal contempt case against the Congress President.
We can say yet another legal headache for Congress President Rahul Gandhi, and that too in the middle of the election season. Stay with us, Aditi. Let's also go across to my colleague Harish. Harish, what does it really mean for Congress President Rahul Gandhi in the middle of the election season now?
Yes, Hina, we remember what Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had said during the press conference. She has said that when the conclusion of Rahul Gandhi after hearing about the judgment was that the Supreme Court has held Prime Minister guilty and Supreme Court had said that Chowkidar chor hai and he had taken and given 30,000 crore rupees to Anil Ambani. When the Supreme Court had not said anything of that sort, the Supreme Court as an operative portion said that for the time being we are not going into the merits of the case, simply deciding on the admissibility of 3 documents, and that will be included as part of the review petition and heard. And these petitions were filed by Bhushan Shuri and Yashwant Sinha, and Supreme Court has not said anything from beyond the fact that they will be admitting these documents. The Supreme Court had not gone into the merits. So for Rahul Gandhi to say that the Supreme Court has concluded that the Prime Minister of India is guilty, and even Nirmala Sitharaman had said that it is on the verge and the borders on the criminal contempt, and that is the line the BJP has taken today and has moved the Supreme Court seeking initiation of criminal contempt action.
Right, and the Supreme Court has in fact agreed to hear the matter on 15th of April. Thank you very much, Harish and Aditi, for the moment, for getting us all these details on this big issue.